Hello children, in this video we are going to learn simplest or lowest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be in the simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. I repeat, a fraction is said to be in the simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. In other words, we can say that a fraction is said to be in the simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator are not divisible by the same number. Students, we can find out simplest or lowest form of the given fraction by the division method. If you observe this fraction, numerator and denominator both are even numbers, therefore both are divisible by 2. Therefore, here we can divide numerator and denominator by 2. 24 divided by 2 and 36 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12 and 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18, and therefore we can say that 24 by 36 and 12 by 18 both are equal. But if you observe here, again both numerator and denominator both are even numbers, therefore both are divisible by 2. Therefore again we can write here 12 by 18 is equal to 12 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2, which is equal to 12 divided by 2, 6, and 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Therefore, we can say that 24 by 36, 12 by 18 and 6 by 9, these three fractions are equivalent. But if you observe here, numerator and denominator both are divisible by 3. Therefore, here we have to divide numerator and denominator by 3. 6 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 and 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Now, here you observe that numerator and denominator both are not divisible by the same number except 1. Therefore, we can say that 2 by 3 is the simplest or lowest form of the fraction 24 by 36. In this way, we can find out simplest form or lowest form of the given fraction. By using another method, we can find out simplest form of the 24 by 36. Here we can apply division method but in different way. If you write 24 by 36, then both numerator and denominator are even numbers, therefore both are divisible by 2. Therefore, if you divide 24 by 2, then 12 and 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Therefore, answer is 12 by 18. Again 12 and 18 both are divisible by 2. Therefore, 12 divided by 2, 6, 18 divided by 2, 9. Therefore, answer is 6 by 9. But again here 6 and 9 both are divisible by 3. Therefore, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Therefore, answer is 2 by 3. Now, if you observe here, this numerator and denominator both are not divisible by the same number except 1. Therefore, simplest form of the given fraction is equal to 2 by 3. We can apply this method also. The next fraction is 18 by 15, and we have to write this fraction in the simplest form or lowest form. Students, if you observe numerator and denominator of this fraction, here both numerator and denominator divisible by 3. Therefore, here we can write 18 by 15 divisible by 3. Therefore, 3 6 are 18 and 3 5 are 15. therefore which is equal to 6 by 5. Now if you observe here 6 and 5 both are not divisible by the same number. Therefore we can say that simplest form or lowest form of the fraction 18 by 15 is equal to 6 by 5. Now next example 9 by 7. Students, if you observe here, numerator of this fraction is 9 and denominator of this fraction is 7. Both are not divisible by any same number except 1. Therefore, the simplest form or lowest form of this fraction is same. Therefore, simplest form of this fraction is equal to 9 by 7. Students, in this way we can find out simplest form or lowest form of any given fraction number. Students, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.